It doesn't need to share our foolish pride. Well, I don't know birds that well, but they always seem to sing about love. If you listen, maybe they can tell how it feels like up above. To be